Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, since you know that it's my vlog channel and I am in Bihar, so I'm just exploring Bihar, having fun. Today I have come to my sister's house, my own sister's house who lives in Sonpur. You must have heard about the place Sonpur, Sonpur ka Mela and all. So I'm here and my nephew is here with me. He's Akash Singh Rajput. So he is going to show me his place. So I'm going to explore Sonpur a little bit. Though I have already come here several times, however, so he's going to show me a park. He said that he would show me a park where some people play cricket. The nearby park where people enjoy, have fun, spend some time, play games, and some other places also he will take me to. So let's explore. Let's see. So Akash, what do you do?
Studying.
Studying.
Yeah.
Okay. What?
MBA.
MBA.
Yeah.
So he's doing MBA.
I study in Delhi.
You study in Delhi.
Yeah.
He studies in Delhi. So you are about to go to Delhi very soon?
Yeah. Approx in a week.
In a week. So in a week he will go back to Delhi, but I have to live here until my dad gets well. So let's explore. So which place is this?
This is called Ramna.
Ramna.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a local place of.
Yeah, local.
But it comes in Sonpur, yeah? That's good. I'm going to show you the view. Okay. Wow. Here in Bihar I have seen, guys, you can see the greenery everywhere. That's the lovely thing. And Sonpur comes in city. It's not village, huh?
No.
It comes in city. And you must have heard about Sonpur ka Mela. That's really quite famous. Illustrious Mela. Asia's
This
number
place
one.
is called Gai Bazaar.
Gaya Bazaar. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, it comes in Gaya Bazaar. Due to this coronavirus pandemic, now the Mela has not been held here. However, you can see how wide the place is. My God, look at this. It's all the part of Sonpur Mela, guys. Great. So how long have you been driving? You seem to be experienced, Akash, yeah? since you turned 18 or before that?
No. Since I turned 18.
Okay, that's great. Lovely. Okay. Try.
आप ड्राइव करोगे तो फिर मैं रोकूं आगे?
हाँ, मैं आई वुड लव टू ड्राइव. मतलब ऑल्टो तो मैंने हमेशा ही चलाई है, बट स्कॉर्पियो चलो चला करके देखते हैं. सो आकाश इज आस्किंग मी टू ड्राइव स्कॉर्पियो. लेट्स सी whether I am able to drive or not, because I have experience of driving Alto, the small car, but Scorpio is big, wide. Let's see. I will try. Okay, so now over to me.
Yeah.
Okay, coming.
Online though.
Yeah, let it be on. Put it in neutral. Is it in neutral?
हाँ.
Okay, it's okay. So guys, now over to me. I must adjust the seat since I'm tall. But you're also tall. I think it's okay. So I'm going to fasten the seat belt. It's very important, guys. You must fasten the seat belt. Don't think about police and all. Okay. Hey, if I talk about the gear of Scorpio, see, it is neutral.
Yeah. Same like Alto.
I'm going to show you guys. See, it is neutral, but it's, the lever is quite bent. In Alto, the lever remains straight. Okay, fine. I'm going to turn on. Super. Now, first gear. Okay, shifting into first gear. Here we go. Really, I'm enjoying a lot driving this. Third gear. So guys, as you can see, I think it's third gear neutral. What is going on? It's second one. Now third is required. I am driving the Scorpio. I think second time. One time I had tried, but just I set and moved it little forward. Lovely. Now shall I go straight?
No, return.
Return.
हाँ,
Okay.
full left. Straight.
Straight.
Left. Left.
Okay, like from here it can go.
हाँ. चला जा.
That's fine.
Right.
What I was thinking, doesn't matter you drive Alto or what. If you know how to drive a car, you can drive any car. I think so. It just takes little time because Alto is small, this is big, and sometimes the gear lever is also disturbing. Here, I'm not in the habit of using this type of gear lever because in Alto there is different gear lever. So it is little bit disturbing me. But driving is driving. You know driving, you can drive. I would like to drive tractor too. Have you ever driven tractor, Akash?
No.
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 What do you think? Will you be able to drive a tractor?
Don't know.
You don't know about that? See, this is the thing. अच्छा कई बार तो ऐसा हुआ है कि बाइक में भी इवन एक बाइक चलाने की आदत है और दूसरी बाइक मिलती है तो ऐसा लगता है अच्छा गियर आगे होगा पीछे होगा ना.
हाँ.
तुम्हारे साथ हुआ है कभी ऐसा?
5-10 किलोमीटर तक तो ऐसा फील होता है अगर आप न्यू बाइक चला रहे हो तो.
ये है. And I have seen guys, some people, I mean, they take the bike's key. I have to go straight or what? Turn or straight?
Right.
Right. They don't even ask you about the gear and all, and they are in the habit of that. They ride the bike like this. And I am always little skeptical about such things. I always think that okay, the gears are forward or backward. Anyways, just lovely. The experience of driving this Scorpio is superb.
गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल.
Sonpur Government Hospital.
हाँ. ओके.
Have to come to this road again.
राइट. लेफ्ट.
So guys, I have come to the main road. This is the main road. And where does this road lead to? कहाँ जाती है सड़क?
ये हाजीपुर.
Okay. Yeah, this is the problem. Here,
दिस इज कॉल्ड घोड़ा बाजार.
Ghoda Bazaar.
हाँ.
So now guys, I am on the main road. Now I have to see whether I am able to drive properly or not. Because body
We need to take left.
left from here.
हाँ. No.
Hey, whenever I try to shift into third gear, there is a problem. I
From
think.
200 meter I think.
From the next
हाँ.
one.
हाँ. Near SBI Bank.
Okay.
Slowly.
This is the second. That one, na?
हाँ.
Hey, बुआ हट ना, लाग जाता तो बस. So guys, now I am handing over this car to my nephew Akash Singh Rajput because I have taken the experience of driving the Scorpio car. Well guys, thank you very much for this. I am going to explore a little more what the Sonpur is and how many places are there where I can visit. So see you in another episode guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Take care everyone. Thank you.